Slice it, squeeze it, shake it, whichever way you want to take it.
It is the Phalon ka Raja Aam. This is mango season when we savor a wide variety of this amazingly sweet, juicy, pulpy fruit in many parts of the country.
Which variety is your favorite? Ever wondered how did they get their names? These are not just random names or names drawn from their scientific properties. Today we are going to tell you the interesting stories behind the names of the top 7 varieties of mango.
Let's take you to the foothill of Girnar in Gujarat, where this mango was first grown by Junagadh Wazir Saleh Bhai in Vanthali in the year 1931, also known as Gir Kesar. It has been named after Kesar or saffron because of its orange color. True to its name, Kesar is an expensive variety of mango.
In search of our next variety of mango, we come to Karnataka, where it is referred to as Guinea Mutti Mavu. Guinea means parrot, Mutti means face, and Mavu is mango in Kannada. Rest of India calls it Totapari or Bangalora. It literally translates to parrot face. Tota means parrot in Hindi and hence the name. These mangoes are considered super refreshing and is extremely helpful in beating the heat of the season.
Our search of one of the sweetest mangoes takes us to the sweet capital of India, Bengal. The Himsagar mango originated in the modern-day Bangladesh and in the state of West Bengal in India. Widely considered as the champagne of mangoes, the inside of Himsagar is yellow to orange in color and does not have any fiber. Why the name Himsagar then? Him means ice, and cooling effect of this mango has on you, especially in the hot and humid terrains of the region, gives it the name.
Let's go to UP for this next variety. This special mango is not named after its color, fragrance or taste. It's named after the place where it first appeared. It was around the village called Dasheri in the gardens of the Nawab of Lucknow. This delicious variety has put the name of this village on the global map. The citizens of this village still claim to have the mother tree of this fine breed.
Such was the impact for the love for mangoes in our history that Mughal Emperor Sher Shah Suri celebrated his victory in the Battle of Chausa near modern-day Patna by starting a new breed of mangoes. He did not worry too much about what to call it. Sher Shah Suri just gave it the name Chausa. So much effort in making a new breed, not much in naming it.
Who doesn't love to suck the juicy pulp of a naturally ripened langda? But do you know the story behind its name? It is said that a langda or a lame man harvested this variety for the first time near Varanasi, accounting for the name.
And finally, we come to one of the most popular variety of Indian mango worldwide. Well, for many, the name mango is synonymous to the word Alfonso or Hafus as it's called in the home state Maharashtra. For a perfect desi breed, don't you wonder why does it have such an Anglo-Indian name? For this, let's go back to the colonial era where even before the British, it was the Portuguese who came and settled around the western Ghats of Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. This variety was named after Portuguese General Alfonso de Albuquerque, who had a big role to play in establishing Portuguese colonies in India.
This one fruit unites India like no other. Next time when you savor any of them,
think about these stories and anecdotes that make it the king of fruits.